gonna show a taste test on these crickets. So here, can you open that? Real quick. We're gonna be doing two things here. Let me show this. I'm gonna quickly show. Yeah, we're gonna do that too. Really quick because we gotta go somewhere. Set this down. So we're doing crickets. Okay, hold the camera and point it down.
Here, ready?
These are good. Just a cricket. It tastes like.
Like disgusting.
It tastes like.
Okay, now for the atomic waste. Actually, let's just do that.
Toxic waste. Sorry, you're gonna be just looking at nothing. They weren't that bad. I mean, the texture was bad. Yes.
Safest one.
Okay, this is super, super, super sour. Ready? Actually, they're good.
Okay. I think that's it right there.
Really sour. Pretty good.
Oh, okay.
That's about it for today. That's it for today. Bye.